Welcome to my today's video, and in today's video we'll be talking about a chain cleaner. So this one is from Maxima, and this has costed me around 900 rupees. And the basic functionality is it'll clean the chain. So after this you just need to use a brush just to wipe off this extra dust. So when before spraying this one, there were lots of dust and grease on my motorcycle chain. So you can see there it is all spread it out here, and it is still cleaning the chain, and it has almost cleaned it very well. So I just need to use the brush. If you are using petrol or kerosene just to clean, it will be harsh for your chain. But if you use this chain cleaner, it will be not very harsh, it will be very good for your chain, and it will also give more life to your chain and both sprocket, because it will clean very well. So this is a small review of this Maxima chain cleaner from my side. If you have the budget and if you are interested, you can purchase it. So I just need to wash my bike, so everything will be cleaned now. As you can see how it has cleaned. I just had to spray this and it worked like very charming, very well it cleaned it. And as you can see, my motorcycle was drenched in rain, and I went for a long ride. So how it is, how badly it is. See the rims, but see the chain and sprocket. It's very clean. So this is how it works. So that's it for today's video. We'll continue in another video. Thank you.